Um. Okay. So
Right,
boost your
sir.
safety
I will
ability.
just read
Miss
the 10
Exotic.
rules for you, sir.
Can you post all your slash me and slash do macros?
Number one is the disrespectful attitude towards colleges and civilians. Punishment one, reprimands or dismissal of the soldier by decision of the leader, sir. Number two, you need to address senior in rank using sir or ma'am.
You gotta fix that
Punishment
macro.
one, warning.
The one I say
Number
if you're
three,
here for
any
endless,
corruption is forbidden, as
you
to
gotta put a
bribe,
backspace
money, goods, or
slash.
services, or taking up from the army function members or the policemen or players in exchange for goods, money, and services. Punishment, dismissal of the soldiers. 4. Using firearms, physical force, special equipment without a warning. A significant reason is threat to the life and health of a soldier, surrounding citizens, authorized entry into the territory of the military
Okay, ma'am.
base. Punishment 1, reprimands or dismissal of the soldier by decision of the leader. Number 5, soldier can take a special career without a permission from the general, deputies, or leader. Punishment 1,
Congratulations,
warning.
ma'am.
Number 6,
Can you do all your slash blobby macros in the chat,
uh,
please?
alright sir, sorry. So, we are here to number 6. Non-observance of subordination, not following orders of the general, deputies, or leader. Punishment 1, reprimands or dismissal of an employee by decision of the
I
leader.
accidentally put
7, using
Okay, I'm gonna get
company
you a place guide. Hold on 1 second.
using company vehicles for personal purposes.
Ma'am, when you respond, I'm gonna come
Punishment
get you.
1,
I'm gonna come get you.
reprimands or dismissal
yeah, it was an accident when
by
I
the
was doing my
decision of the
slash.
leader. Number 8, violating rules of the server. Punishment 1, reprimands or
I do you
dismissal of an
all.
employee by decision of the leader. Number 9, leaving the military base in uniform and or without weapon. The base can only be left with the permission of the generals, deputies, or leader. Punishment 1, reprimand. Number 10, 2 warnings are equal to 1 reprimands. 3 reprimands mean removal from the position of the soldier. That's all the 10 rules to you, sir. Are you ready? Are you ready to final interview, sir? Okay, sir. Hello, ma'am and sir. I will conducting your final interview. Number 1, what does respects means to you, sir?
Honesty,
What does respect means to you, sir?
honesty, and reciprocal. Treat me the way treat me the way they want. People treat the way they people treat me. This way they want me to treat them too.
Okay. Number 2, why do you want to join the army function, sir?
I feel like I make things better.
And then, Uh, can
because I feel I want to.
can you repeat that, sir?
I feel I can make things better.
Oh, okay. Number three. How should we address higher ranks and civilians?
Yeah, man.
Okay, good answer, sir. Ha- Four. How many hours can you be active on duty, sir?
More than the normal hours. That's 2 hours. More than 2 hours.
Okay, sir. Number five question. Can you leave the military base whenever you want?
Nope. Only when you request on the Discord group chat. That's when the permission has been looked at, and then the general say we can go. That's when we can go. And I'm only as a software. I'm only allowed to go with the higher up.
Yes, sir. Correct that. Number six question. Are you allowed to shoot or tase or kill a fellow soldiers for fun?
Nope. Only during training when I was given permission to.
Number seven. If a civilian enter the base, what should you do?
Uh, Firstly, take them off the base. That's to step off the vehicle and then take them off the base if they are with the vehicle, or if they're not with the vehicle. Uh, Take them off the vehicle and take them off the base. Use my macros and say that it's an intruder in base. Escort him off of base. If he doesn't, if he refuses, I tase and kill him. If he refuses,
Okay, sir. Good answer. Alright. What does AFK means? It stands.
be away from keyboard.
What, sir?
Away from keyboard.
Okay. Number nine. Are you allowed to take the military vehicle?
Nope.
Okay. You can continue your answer, sir. Can you repeat your question, your answer, sir?
Nope. Nope. No, you're not allowed to use the military vehicles at personal use.
Okay, sir. Number 10, by joining the army, you must follow all the orders from your higher ranks. Do you
I
agree
agree.
to this term, sir?
Yes, I agree.
Alright, sir. Congrats. You passed the final interview. Uh, Rika. Right.
He's coming back, sir.